Hi there, Adita Lang from aditalang.com, and welcome to Stretch and Strengthen. That's going to be our goal today. We are going to work out our muscles, hopefully with some weights if you have them. If not, you can also use cans or bottles of water. And then we are going to stretch so that we can just feel open and ready to conquer our day. Are you ready to get started? Let's do this. Bring both feet out. We're going to take a big deep breath up. And as you exhale, round that back over, separate the shoulder blades so you can really get them out there, hold it, and then pull it back up, big deep breath, and exhale again, press it over. One more time, take that up, hold it there, and bring it down. Let's pull it over to one side. So try to push this hip down a little bit as you're pulling the arms over so you get a good stretch in that side, and then do the same thing to the other side. Oh, Mr. Leonardo, she's here to help us out, making sure we're doing what we're supposed to be doing. Bring it back to center. Take both arms behind your back and